There is no hiding a honey badger. Hunting in the open in broad daylight, she's anything but subtle. She doesn't need to be. Most of her prey live out of sight, underground. With long claws and powerful front legs, she is a digging machine. She can dig 50 holes in a single day. It's worth it to get to highly nutritious rodents. Following her nose, she can sniff out almost anything. Even the most well-armed prey are not safe from a honey badger. She's immune to the scorpion's stings, but it's not a very enjoyable experience. And all for quite a small reward. With an incredibly high metabolism, the honey badger needs constant refueling. An ostrich egg would be a rich reward, but they're the strongest eggs on the plains and very hard to break into. This will require all her ingenuity. Finally, she's cracked it. Honey badgers have over 50 known prey. Their success depends on their willingness to take on anything.